How to make a pie chart in Canva for your presentation. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first let me take one blank presentation. So here you can choose any type of presentation design, like presentation, social media, photo editor, audio video. We have docs also. Canva have docs also. Okay, so let me take one presentation, blank page. Okay, now in order to insert pie chart, we need to go to in elements. Okay, just scroll down. Okay, or you can search here for charts. Okay, so you can see this all charts option. You can go to the see all, or another way you can go to the app option here. Just scroll down here, you can see the chart option. Just click on it. Now you can see the all charts. Go to see all. Okay, this is a bar chart, so we need to go in pie chart. This is a pie chart. Just select any chart. We have only two chart here, so just select this one, anyone. So I select that. Okay, so in order to customize this pie chart, we need to just double click on it. Then uh, this customization will be enabled. From here you can change your chart with another like bar chart, stack bar. Okay, and here in data you can simply add more data like this. Let me add item 4 here. Okay, and the series is 2, so it has add. Okay, you can see you can also add more rows or insert row after before. You can insert more row by clicking right click on it and insert. You can row. You can also delete it, clear section, or delete the row. And here in column also you can add the row columns before or after, or also you can delete the columns. Okay, here the customizations. You can enable the legend. This is a legends series. This is a label. Okay, it's a percentage. You can make it as a percentage or numbers. You can see this is number, this is percentage. We can give the title of this pie chart. Okay, this is our title. This is a subtitle, the source, and more setting you have here. In data you can export data from your CVC Excel file or CSV file from your device, or you can simply connect your Google Drive and take the data from your Google Sheet. Just click on it, then your Google Sheet will be your Google Drive sheet will be open this side options. Okay, I have already connected to Google Drive. So if you trying to connect first time, then it will be asking some permission, then you have to give that permission here. And after that you can see all your Google Sheet like this, and here you can see all your Google Sheet files. So I have only one sheet here in my Google Drive, so this is my sheets. After you open your Google Sheet, the Canva will be by default select your tables. Okay, or you can simply select your table data like this and click the done. Now you can see this Excel sheet has been exported here, and this is our data. So this is my data range. This is my month and achievement. This is the two columns we have, and data is if you want to make sums or whatever you can make it. Okay, just let okay, so let me delete this disconnect from source. Okay, as I okay, so this is our first. You can make manually data here, insert the manual data from here, then it will be add automatically here. Okay, so this is start like labels, month, achievements, charge setup, labels what to show, and segment what value to show. This is a value and this is a labels. Okay, after done you can just go back and you can resize your chart like this, and this is your pie chart on Canva. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.